Hey, what up, YouTube? Got an unboxing video. Two Sundown audio, ZV5 15 dual 2-ohms. Try to make this video short and sweet, but they brand new, still in the package, so stay tuned. Alright, we back, YouTube. I did pull one of them up out the box. Man, you talking about package tight. Here's the other one that's still in the box. You got your Sundown audio sticker. ZV5 15 dual 2-ohm. You talking about heavy. Man, this speaker heavy. See if I can get it up out of there. Alright, we got it up out the plastic. Look at the magnet on that thing, man. Sundown Audio ZV5 15. Brand new, straight out the box. Stay tuned, YouTube. We got more videos coming. It's about to get real. Alright, YouTube. Just for bonus features, we will be running a 70 amp hour limited lithium. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Still in the package. I only opened it up, but stay tuned, guys.